Milo was a curious boy who never liked to listen. One day, he heard about a magical place called the Forest of Whispers, where trees talked and treasures were hidden. Without listening to warnings, Milo ran into the forest. "Welcome," whispered the trees, "but only those who listen can find the treasure." Milo ignored them. He stepped on blue stones. Poof! He turned into a blueberry. A squirrel warned him not to shout, but he did, and birds dropped pine cones on his head. At the heart of the forest stood a big puzzle tree with a riddle. What has roots nobody sees, taller than trees, and grows not at all? Milo was about to walk away but stopped. For once, he listened. He thought hard, then whispered, "A mountain." Click! The treasure opened, a glowing book that said, "Listening brings the greatest rewards." From that day on, Milo learned to listen first and adventure wisely. Moral: listening helps you learn, stay safe, and find the real treasures in life.